Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am doing a poke a pig app. So basically you just have to poke the pig, and it's quite simple. You have 10 seconds, and every time you do that you have to poke the pig.
Oink, oink.
So when I click it,
Oink, oink. Oink, oink.
it makes a noise.
Oink, oink. Oink, oink.
And
Oink, oink.
it just says
Oink, oink.
oink oink. And as you can see, oink, you poked the pig 7 times. So I'll just see how quick I can do it.
Oink, 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 oink.
Now, as you can see, it's quite fun and enduring, and it's always like, oh, I gotta beat that record, oh, I gotta beat this record. So I hope you guys understood the main point of the game. Now we'll move on to the coding side of the game. So these are all comments. Do not change this code. And yeah.
Oink, 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 oink.
So yeah, as you can see, I just played it one more time. But it was just, don't change this code. These are all comments, and the code is just the variable. And yeah, that's basically it. Now, I'll run you guys through this. So I made a variable called pig count, which is equal to 0. And now I declared this variable, and then I used this variable saying pig count is equal to pig count plus 1. And then every time, and then set position, which just randomizes why the pig moves. Set text, label count, label pig count, and then pig count. So yeah, that's where I want my text to be set. And then I want set property, so the property will just be this pig and how it changes. Because look, see, the first time I click it goes smaller. So the property's changing, and then the noise that it's making, which is oink oink, is the play sound. So we will go through this code, and I will be deleting it, and then we will be going through it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's just go bam. Now first, I'm not going to write the comments, as you guys kind of already understood the whole thing. So we'll just get the time loop, add another 0, or just make that. And then just go and say, after that, I want to set the screen to the game over screen. Then we're going to go and get my on event, but before that we have to declare the variable. And so we're just going to go, I'll just make it pig count as it was before. And we'll make that 0. And whenever my pig image is clicked, I want it to... I want my variable to come in hand first, which would be pig count. And then get my math, get the addition, write pig count again, and then add the plus 1. Then we're going to go and then get my set text. The ID would be label 1 pig count, and then I don't want the text to actually be that, so I'll be removing the quotation marks, and then just make it pig count. It's very important you put this bit first, or else it will do this bit later, but do this first, which would just make it 0. And then next, we're going to do the set position. So every time it's clicked, the position should change from maybe 5. So go get that random, do it to 5 to 280, and then we can just go grab this one and just measure it again, 91 to 435. So these are rough estimates. You guys can be as precise as you want. And then I'm going to change it to being smaller or bigger depending on how challenging. So then it could be 60 to 60. So as soon as I click it, of course it'll get smaller, but then yeah, it's currently just doing that. So yeah, I can't do that right now. But and here there's an oops saying we can't figure out pig count. Is perhaps you meant to pig count with the quotes? If that is meant to be a variable, make sure you declare the variable var pig count. So there has been an issue here saying which says I haven't declared my variable correctly. But as you can see, I have, so I'll just write pig count one more time. But this time I'll use no caps because I believe you cannot use more than one cap in a variable. So yeah, let's try this one more time. Now, I'm not sure what the issue is here, but it seems that it's not letting us thing. On line 7 there is nothing that, so I just got to change that. Now when we try, it gets smaller, everything's working fine. And the last one is my set position, set everything. Now set property. Set property isn't that complicated, just pig image, text, and then I want pig count without the quotation marks. So just gonna go boom, remove, and then go pig count. And last one, and this is my most favorite one because I get to listen to so many sounds, but it is the play sound. So yeah, I'm just gonna go here, choose this, and then you can go alert. So you can go like play this. Okay, so this is going to be so every time I click the pig, this noise is going to repeat. But this is something very optional. Many of you might not like noises and everything. And then you can go into functions, get your comment, and write whatever you want. But I hope you guys understood the coding side of this, and now we will go into the design side. So I've used a label, pink color, poker pig, and same thing here. Image, that's just an image, and that's the background which you can choose, and this is all just basic stuff. Now go to game over, label, 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 and then pink screen. So it's quite basic, but if you guys want me to make a video on how to a full inquiry on design or a full inquiry on code and running through all the codes like canvas or control or data or functions, and I've already done turtle, so if you guys haven't checked that out, you may as well go check turtle out. So yeah, if you guys have any other doubts, please do put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, till next time, this is me signing off.